Hey everyone, welcome back. Just a short video on Sharkbite. About 5 years ago, I replaced the main valve that shuts off the water into my house, and I did it with a Sharkbite fitting, as I'll show you in a minute. I was underneath the house a couple of days ago, 3 or 4 days ago, maybe 5 days ago, working on the garden hose adapter, the thing that comes through the wall. My old one was leaking. Apparently water got into it and it froze, so I had to replace that so I can get my garden hose working again properly, because what was happening was when I turned my garden hose on, the valve outside the house, it would be leaking some water inside the house. So I replaced that, but in the process of doing that, of course, I inspected the plumbing while I'm down there, and I discovered that my Sharkbite valve was ready for imminent failure, and obviously you see now it has failed. So, and this is Sharkbite. This is the tag that came with it, and it says Sharkbite right here, as you can see. Now, I don't see Sharkbite on the unit itself, so I don't know. But this is the tag that was on it. It says Sharkbite. So anyway, see the metal is corroding here, and this is what I seen when I was underneath there. This was cracked, not a total failure like what you see now, but it was cracked. There was no water leaking, but I knew that was going to have to be something that was going to be replaced sooner than later. So I ordered a Sharkbite, like this one, brand new one, on Amazon. And about 4 or 5 days it came. And so what I was going to do was I was going to wait. Typically our water here, our municipal water, is shut off, maybe once or twice a month for maintenance and for upkeep and whatever. So I was just going to wait for the town to shut off the water, and then I was going to pop underneath and replace this valve. Canada Day today, this morning, goes out to my shed, and I'm on my way out to the shed. I hear water running underneath the house. I open up the hatch, and I noticed this valve is leaking water down into the ground, and it's leaking really bad. It was just about ready to pop, actually. And so anyway, Canada Day, everything shut down, closed. Good thing I had ordered another valve, and here we are. I didn't realize this was a Sharkbite. The last time I replaced it, obviously I bought a Sharkbite valve. And I hear people saying Sharkbite is good. This is 5 years old, folks. Now, you've seen my videos on the cheaper knockoffs and how some of them have failed. And people say, buy Sharkbite. Well, I did buy Sharkbite, and I bought it again. And lo and behold, I didn't realize till I came out of the hole and I had everything, everything all done, that this was a Sharkbite 3/4 ball valve. Now, this is a knockoff. It doesn't have the shark on it, but this tag was still on it. And as you can see, it says Sharkbite. So I don't know. Like the jury's still out. I don't know. I don't know what to say. But this failed, utterly failed. So it's done. Canada Day. Managed to save the day, because lucky that I went underneath the house, because this would have probably happened exactly at the same time, and I wouldn't have had a valve, and I would have been out of water for a while, and plus the water damage underneath the house. So there it is. Sharkbite, or not Sharkbite. That should not have failed. Anyway, just a quick video, like I say. Thanks for watching.